Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block, we're going to be making you guys a buffalo chicken pizza. Okay, and I'm going to show you the ingredients that we got here. Now, what I did, when I see buffalo chicken pizza, just like when you have buffalo wings, you have carrots and celery, and you have ranch or you have blue cheese. But the typical buffalo chicken comes with blue cheese. So I have some blue cheese right here, guys. Alright, so that's going to be my base. This is some ranch if you want to substitute, or you can get you some like ranch dressing. I'm not going to do that, okay? I'm just showing you that. I have some blue cheese crumbs right here as well. This is some buffalo sauce right here by Frank's. And here's some cheese right here. This cheese right here is a cup of Italian right here. Turn it this way. Yep, I use a cup of that and like 2 cups of mozzarella. With that, and also I put, which I don't have anymore, some triple cheddar cheese right here. So this was like a 1/4 cup, and I just mixed it all up in here. And also I put in that is like 2 tablespoons of this Parmesan and Romano cheese. Okay, this granulated. All right, and I took a carrot and a celery. This is a celery. And I chopped it super thin, okay? I only took like 2 baby carrots or something like these, like this. And I just chopped it super thin. And this is what I came up with right here, guys. All right. Also, you're gonna need some green onions right here. And this is enough to make, hopefully, a whole bunch of pizzas. No, I'm just messing with you. I'm only making like 2 of these flatbreads right here, guys. I did get this at Aldi's. And here's my chicken. This is some leftover chicken from chicken noodle soup. So it's like a breast. Alright? So that's what this is. Alright guys, so what we're going to do here, we're just going to take some of this buffalo sauce. We're just going to pour it in over here. Just like this. Like a 1/2 cup or something, or 2 to get well coated. Stir it up a little bit. If you need to add some more, add some more. Now I'm going to put a little bit more in mine. Just make sure it's well coated. And you do want to save a little bit for the topping. Okay? So that's about enough of that. So yeah, you just want to mix this up. So yeah, you ain't got to throw away or throw away any of your chicken breasts or anything like that. You can always use them to create something new with it. Like we're doing now. Alright. So that's mixed up. Alright. Alright, so let me get my pan over here. We're going to have to start putting this stuff together, guys. Move this out of the way. Open this up. Probably should open it from the other side, but I'm good. This may not be big enough, so we're going to just try to make it fit. Like so. So yeah, this pan is not big enough at all. So yeah, I can't get it in there that way either. But this should work. I'm gonna kind of like bring this in closer like this, guys. We're gonna take our blue cheese dressing. Just gonna put us some on here like this, much as you want, guys. Wipe this spoon off some. And this buffalo chicken recipe is intense. Super delicious, guys. So yeah, you want to get it all across the edges and all that stuff, guys. Some people use marinara sauce. I don't see the point in it, but you know, to each his own. Put more of this, a little bit more, just a crumb over here, much as you want on yours. Oh yeah, wanted to tell you guys too, I finally made it to 2,000 subscribers. So I gotta get on there and let you guys know who's the winners. Thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you continue to watch. Because I'm telling you, I'm bringing you restaurant. Let me get a glove. Yeah, I'm bringing this to you guys, man. I'm telling you, it's off the chain. We're gonna take us some cheese. Put some cheese on here. Yes. To spread this out on there, nice and gentle. Some more cheese on this one. Okay. Alright, and we're going to come in here with our chicken. Let's take you some chicken, guys. Try to get on there enough for everybody to get a bite. Okay. Let's check this side out. Off the chain. Okay, I think that's good enough. Alright. Alright, so I'm going to take this glove off because I'm going to put some more cheese on this. Just like this, guys. Just like so. Like that. We're going to pick up some of these blue cheese. Now, you don't have to use this if you don't want to. Some people don't like blue cheese. But I like it. Tastes pretty good to me. If you don't like it, don't use it. You can use ranch if you want to. Yes, that's gonna be good. All right. Then we come in here with our celery and our carrots and stuff. Slice it thin, guys. Do not come in here with thick pieces of carrots and all this stuff. You want this to cook on there. You don't want no crunchy. Unless you do. But me, myself, I don't. So I try to slice mine super thin. Alright, now we come with our onions, our green onions. Sprinkle some of those on there. I'm only going to put on one pizza. So yeah, there you go. All right, guys. Here's what we have. All right. We're just gonna go ahead and cook this at 350, and that's about 15 minutes. Okay. See you guys in a minute. Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm gonna go ahead and get this pizza out the oven. Show you guys what we got. Here we go. You guys can see that. We're just gonna take us a little buffalo sauce, sprinkle a little bit on there. Just like that, guys. And I did add, because I like red pepper flakes. So I did put a little bit on mine. It didn't call for it for you guys, but if you want to, you can sprinkle you a little bit on there. And this is what you got, guys, right here. So buffalo chicken pizza. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this up on the plate, and I'll be right back in a minute. Okay, guys, I'm back. There it is, right there on the plate. You guys can go ahead and take that first bite right there. And it smells amazing, guys. So guys, please give me a like, a share, and subscribe to the channel. And please do not forget to, that's right, hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time. And thank you for watching. And I'm out.